I think it's going to be the rain and maybe even a little bit of lightning. So two threats really with those showers and storms coming through. Of course, there is the risk for seeing severe weather later on this evening as well. Storm Prediction Center highlighting our area under that marginal risk, the entire state of Maryland under that marginal risk. So no need to show the map when the whole state is under the risk for seeing strong storms tonight. So that's why we've got impact weather icons up for some of our graphics here. Of course, we'll be breezy and cooler once the system passes, just in time for January 1st, and also tracking our next chance for snow. This one may be a bigger threat to our area. We'll see how things pan out. Right now, the data is just not in alignment with each other, so it makes this a little bit more of a complicated forecast as we head through next Monday. We'll, of course, keep you updated with that over the next few days. Here's a focus on today, though. Impact weather between 4 and possibly as late as 11 p.m. We could have those storms rolling through the area with anywhere from an isolated strong wind gust, maybe quarter-sized hail, and a brief tornado cannot be ruled out. That tornado risk is not zero, but it is very low for our area. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you download the WBAL TV 11 app. That can give you the alerts right to your phone. It can also detect when lightning is nearby. So, of course, if you're going to be outside and nowhere near a television set, certainly could use that phone app handy. Here's our satellite and radar. This is that big storm system we'll be tracking. That is headed our way. It's going to drop a strong cold front across the area, and that is going to trigger those showers and storms. So here we look at our futurecast, where between now and about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still going to be dry out there. The clouds continue to thicken, and that line of showers and maybe even some storms develops by about 6 p.m. It will clear the area, though, as we get closer and closer to midnight. As you see here, 11 p.m., the majority of the rain should be out of our area at that time, which means no issues as we, of course, set those fireworks off across parts of town that can do so. Today, though, your forecast calls for that chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. A mild day with a high of 57. Normally, we're in the mid-40s this time of year. And, of course, this evening, not going to be too cold, but just a little chilly as those clouds clear out with a low of about 43 degrees. Looking ahead, though, to the next 7 days, of course, almost the entire first week of January of 2025. Look at this. Gets even colder. Temperatures go downhill from here on out. Highs may only be in the 30s or near freezing this upcoming weekend.